Welcome everyone. This is going to be a very quick note that I want to share with you because today is a very special day. I mean, not today, the special day was actually a few days ago, but today is yet another special day because as you can see, my channel recently reached more than 1,000 subscribers. So, and if you remember, and I also remember, I promised that I will give away a Nest Mini for a lucky subscriber. So today in this video, we are going to find out who is the lucky subscriber. And thanks a lot, first of all, staying by with me in this journey, because I started very small. I mean, I'm still very small with regards to the channel. Only because of you, I reached this goal, and I hope and I wish that you will stay along with me for the rest of the journey, because there are much more things to come. So the criteria was that you need to subscribe to my channel and comment on this particular video saying that what do you like about the Google Nest Mini or anything. So let's go here. I'm using TubeBuddy and pick a winner. So let's see. Okay. So the moment of truth. Let's find out who will get Nest Mini from my channel. And here we go. Ta-da! It's Gayan Garusingha. In fact, I know the person, but I have to be fair, guys. I just clicked on this button, and Gayan, you are a lucky winner. Congratulations again. You are going to get a Nest Mini, and I will be contacting you from any of the social media that I have contact with you. And thanks a lot for being a subscriber and also commenting in this. So congratulations for winning the Nest Mini. And the others, don't get disappointed. Do not get disappointed, because I have another giveaway. If you remember, if you are my follower, then you see there is another giveaway in my channel for Google Stadia. And for next quarter, in the new year, hopefully the better year, I'll be giving away the Google Stadia gaming system for a lucky subscriber. If you need to know more details, watch this video. I have all the information that you need in order to be eligible for this giveaway. So you still have time. And lastly, Gayan, congratulations again. And for everyone who stuck with me for this entire journey, thanks a lot. Thanks for, you are not just subscribers. We are, kind of family. You are people that I do these videos for. So because of you only, I'm at this position, and which motivates me to keep on doing these things. So thanks a lot, and congratulations again to Gayan. And I will see you very soon, because very, very soon I have more things to come. So I will see you very soon in my channel. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and I will catch you in the next video, like a proper video.